You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The escalation of the conflict in the Middle East attracted the attention of Asian traders and investors on Wednesday, increasing fears about a possible expansion of hostilities. Oil prices continued to rise, gold approached historic highs, and bonds and safe assets such as the US dollar were in the spotlight. Despite these risks, some markets, in particular Hong Kong, showed strong growth. The currencies of Australia and New Zealand, which are sensitive to global risks, also strengthened, given their close trade ties with China, which is the main partner of these countries. In the absence of significant macroeconomic data and corporate news in Europe, markets' attention will be focused on events in the Middle East. Investors will pay special attention to the actions of the U.S. Federal Reserve System, especially in light of the upcoming employment report. On Friday, data on the labor market will be published, which may be decisive when deciding whether to reduce interest rates by 25 or 50 basis points. Also on Wednesday, an employment report from ADP is expected, which will give earlier clues about the state of the labor market. Oil prices rose sharply by more than $1 on Wednesday amid mounting fears that tensions in the Middle East could escalate into a conflict that could disrupt oil supplies from the region. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude oil rose by $1.07 or 1.53% to $70.90 per barrel as of 3:30 Greenwich Mean Time. At the auction on Tuesday, both reference grades showed an increase of more than 5%. The UN Security Council has scheduled a meeting on the situation in the Middle East for Wednesday, and the European Union has called for an immediate ceasefire. And now to the crypto market. Amid heightened tensions in the Middle East, spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States recorded almost $243 million in outflows, interrupting an 8-day series of inflows totaling $1.4 billion. The price found support around the $60,000 level, which we mentioned yesterday. If the decline continues, the next support can be found in the $58,500 area. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.